Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures and your midday market minute. It's a good start to the month here. You got equities a little contained, but they are trading higher like we've seen to start February, March, and April. So you got good moves here. What are we going to see? Is it going to be more like February and April with a straight shot higher, or more like March, a little bit of choppiness as the market digests the previous month's move? We are leaning on more choppiness like we've seen in March, but the move here in the S&P, 4,200, 4,203 major three-star resistance has contained the upside. The same way, though, the downside. NASDAQ is red. It's held major three-star support to the downside. So all that are the roadmap on the Morning Express. Check it out, all the levels there. And then I'll add to it the Russell 2000, 2260 has been a big level. Held it on Friday, held it again overnight tonight. So been constructive there. Constructive move across all equities. But again, we do think some choppiness here to stay, for at least for the next week or two. Non-farm payroll Friday. The big move here today came across commodities. Crude oil higher, silver, gold, all higher. Energies in general are higher. RBOB as well. Now, one thing we're seeing here is the September contract in crude oil outpacing September, December are outpacing June. So you're seeing some of that backwardation start to come out. We've been talking about it here. I like being long the September contract, regardless of whatever you're looking at, though. It's a nice bull flag-like pattern building in crude oil. You're seeing that similar pattern building in copper, where you're seeing, again, it's not about a traditional bull flag, but a market profile where bears are getting trapped, sellers are getting trapped with slightly lower lows, and they get a powerful move higher that forces short covering and then fresh buying when it starts to make a new high. And that's what we're seeing here. Building in crude oil, it has happened in silver. It could be building in copper. So commodities are looking real good. Looking at gold too, 1800 is in the cards here, right short of it, but it looks like it wants to get to 1820. Silver looks like it wants to get up to $28. And again, the next move, we wouldn't be surprised to see $66 in crude oil not far away as well. So it's a big, great setup here this week in commodities. You see the dollar slightly lower. The news that that Europe is lifting the travel ban. India health officials say the virus curve is plateauing. So some really good news coming out there. Weakening the dollar, safe haven tailwinds coming out of the dollar, and you're seeing commodities move. Give us a call. Our team is here to help. 312-278-0500. Remember, the futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.